Hi, welcome to Harley Classics, and today we've got another little British sports car just arrived. I seem to be getting quite a few of these in. Um, I think they're very appealing. Other people tend to think they're out of vogue, but I think they're massively undervalued at the minute. It's a 1955 MGTD, so it's a 1500 engined one with the steel wheels. Originally this car was red, and then 20 years ago the whole car was stripped down to the chassis, restored, and it's in gleaming black, and I think it really suits the car. I really do. It's a really nice colour, and personally for me, the steel wheels, keep them. Don't put the sport wheels on it, it'll spoil it. Right, let's have a quick look around the car. Obviously the condition of the car, the photographs speak for themselves. The chrome work on the car is beautiful, absolutely spotless, flawless actually. It has been raining, so there's one or two bits of spots of rain on there, but hubcaps are nice. The screen surround's lovely. Door handles, walking around the car, the back bumper, spare wheel. They all look like they've been powder coated when they've been restored. Car actually got a tow bar and electrics on. Why would you do it? I've no idea. But there you go. I'm finding it really hard to pick a fault with the paintwork on this car. I used to paint cars for a living, and I'm finding it really hard to pick a fault. Yeah, there's a couple of chips, but by fault I mean sinkage or micro blistering. I'm finding it hard. It's really, really nice. Under the bonnet, I'll show you quickly. We've got the little 1500 power plant in there. You can see it's all painted up nice, and again, that's had a full engine rebuild. Your little toolboxes are in there, bits and bobs in there. I think it's a jack and a few bits. Chassis tag, body type and number. You also have problems with these bonnets. Put that down, we'll fasten it up later. It's a two-seater sports car, as you know. It's got all the wet gear in there, side screens, and the hood is as new. I'm not going to lift it up because it's on the photographs, but the hood is as new. Body fit, the doors, I mean, it's a wooden bodied car, perfect. Listen to that, that chuts like a new car, or better than a new car. Same on the other side. The dashboard's nice, lovely dash in there, all nice and correct. Interior, like I say, door cards and all around the back is in really good condition. The one thing that might let this car down a tiny bit is the seat. It's not ripped or torn, but for me, if it was me, I would have the seat retrimmed, and I'd have it retrimmed in this biscuit colour, something like this. Not an expensive job to do. We can do it here. You'd probably be looking, I don't know, about £1,000, 800 quid, something like that, to have the seat out. Or would you bother? I don't know. Depends what you want to do. It's definitely worth taking to that next level. It's definitely a car that needs, to go to that next level. Some cars you look at and you think, well, if you put a new set of seats in it, the paintwork would let it down, or the engine would let it down, or the dash would let it down. But if you put a new set of seats in this, you would lift the car up. You would lift it up. But it's a really, really nice car. Underneath, the chassis has all been restored. Brakes, we've had it in the workshop, pulled the wheels off. The brakes are as new. Story as we get it, the car started off red. It's got a photographic restoration. 20 years ago, a guy stripped it down, restored it, and then he put it in storage, and until now. And we find this a lot. A lot of people buy these cars, they restore them, and then they put them in storage thinking they're going to be, a brilliant investment, or they're just getting on a bit, and then gets to a stage where they can't do anything with them. But look at it, what a lovely car, absolutely lovely. Yeah, so if you need any more information on the car, there's a huge history file with it. Come down and have a look. Now normally I drive these cars away, but today the steering wheel is a little bit tight for me, so I'm going to hand you over to my faithful assistant. Bye bye now.